what we need to be purposeful about when it comes to actually breeding loyalty intentionally.
I think the big thing I want to talk about here is meeting your realtor's 3 core needs. They want communication, they want follow-up on all the leads they send you, and they want their closings to happen on time. There's actually a little bonus one in there too. They want it to happen fast. Communicating with your realtor partner is going to be number 1. Diligent follow-up, that is number 2. This is the next thing that they want. Super, super important. And next, of course, is those on-time closings. Honestly, nothing is worse than having a delay to your closings, especially when we're talking about purchases. So if you've got one transaction that's going to have a delay, even by 1 day, you're going to have a potential huge chain reaction that's going to affect a whole bunch of other transactions. And now your realtor partner has to go and answer to a whole bunch of people as to why there's a delay on something. So anytime you can avoid a delay, if there's something you can do to step in to try and help prevent that from happening, you're going to come out being a rock star, right?
To learn more, watch my free masterclass at mortgagemarketingcoach.com/grow. We'll see you there.